Here's how to unblock a contact or phone number on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. When you unblock someone, they can call you, message you, and FaceTime you again. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Phone. Tap Blocked Contacts to see all blocked numbers. Swipe left on the contact or tap Edit, then tap Unblock. The number is now unblocked. Open the Messages app and find the blocked conversation. Tap the contact name at the top, then tap Info. Tap Unblock this caller. They're now unblocked. Open FaceTime, tap the info icon next to the blocked contact, and tap Unblock this caller. Unblocking does not restore old messages or calls. Only future calls and messages will come through. If you still don't receive calls, check Silence Unknown Callers and Focus Mode settings. And that's it. That's how you unblock a contact or a phone number on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.